AI is a natural extension to low-code platforms like Mendix. While it's great during development, Mendix is more than Studio Pro. With the integration of Maia Chat into the portal, Maia can assist precisely where it's needed, give you context, look up documentation, know how other users look at certain best practices. Maia can give you all of this information. Maia can point you in the right direction. Unfortunately, it can't do anything for you in the portal yet, with some very minor exceptions. Maia is available in the developer home, on the marketplace, on the control center, in the cloud portal, but it's not on the docs area yet. Information can be outdated, so it's still wise to check the cited sources. By the way, it's also available on the forum. I already did a video about that earlier on. Maia can also help product owners create user stories. To enable this, the Scrum Masters will need to enable Maia in Epics. After this is done, you can give Maia some context about what your user story is all about, and Maia will write the user story for you. After that, you can still edit the user story, add your own additional context, or maybe even try regenerating the user story using Maia. Have you tried Maia yet? Have you only used it for development or also in the portal? What are your pitfalls with it? Have you tried using it in your own language or perhaps always in English? Let me know.